If you've been in a car accident in New York, you're probably dealing with a lot at once. Pain, stress, insurance calls, and questions about what happens next. One of the most common things accident patients tell us is, "I didn't know I had rights." This video explains how New York's no-fault insurance system actually works, what it covers, what deadlines matter, and what you're entitled to under the law. New York is a no-fault state. That means your own auto insurance policy covers your accident-related medical expenses, regardless of who caused the crash. This is governed by Article 51 of the New York Insurance Law. The benefit is called Personal Injury Protection, or PIP. Under this system, you don't have to wait for fault to be determined, and you don't have to fight with the other driver's insurance company just to get your injuries treated. Your own policy covers you, immediately. No-fault insurance covers up to $50,000 per person in basic economic losses. That includes all reasonable and necessary medical treatment, doctor visits, physical therapy, diagnostic imaging, prescription medications, chiropractic care, and rehabilitation services. Up to $2,000 per month for up to 3 years if your injuries prevent you from working. The benefit covers 80% of your lost earnings. Up to $25 per day for household services you can no longer perform because of your injuries, things like childcare or cleaning. What no fault does not cover: vehicle repairs, pain and suffering, or property damage. Those are handled separately through a liability claim. There is one deadline every accident patient needs to know about. Under New York's no-fault regulations, you must file a written claim with your insurance company within 30 days of the accident. This doesn't mean you need to have finished treatment. It means filing the initial claim form to get the process started. If you've been seen at one of our clinics, our administrative team handles this paperwork for you. We make sure your claim is filed correctly and on time, so you can focus on getting better. No-fault insurance covers most people involved in a motor vehicle accident in New York, including drivers, passengers, and pedestrians struck by a vehicle. There are some exceptions. Motorcycle operators and passengers are not covered under New York's no-fault law. Drivers operating an uninsured vehicle they own are also excluded, as are individuals injured while committing a felony. If you're unsure whether your situation is covered, speaking with a medical provider who understands the no-fault system is a good first step. New York's no-fault system includes an important legal concept called the serious injury threshold. Under the law, most accident victims cannot sue the at-fault driver for pain and suffering unless their injuries meet one of 9 statutory categories defined in the insurance law. Those categories include things like fractures, permanent loss of use of a body part, significant disfigurement, and what's called the 90-180 rule, meaning a medically documented injury that prevents you from performing your normal activities for at least 90 of the first 180 days following the accident. If your injuries do meet the serious injury threshold, you may be able to pursue additional compensation beyond the no-fault limits, including pain and suffering, medical expenses above $50,000, and lost wages beyond what PIP covers. Thorough, well-documented medical records are essential for establishing whether the threshold is met. That's another reason early evaluation matters. If you've been in an accident, here's what we recommend. Seek medical evaluation promptly. Many injuries, including whiplash, disc herniations, and concussions, don't cause immediate symptoms. Early evaluation creates a clinical baseline and protects your claim. Document the accident. Get a police report, photograph the scene, and collect insurance and contact information from everyone involved. File your no-fault claim within 30 days. If you're treating with us, we handle this for you. Follow your treatment plan. Consistent care supports faster recovery and strengthens your insurance claim. Keep records. Hold on to all medical documents, insurance correspondence, and receipts related to your accident. At New York No-Fault Doctors, our job is to handle the medical and administrative complexity, so you don't have to. Our board-certified physicians specialize in post-traumatic musculoskeletal and neurological injuries. We conduct thorough evaluations, develop individualized treatment plans, and produce the detailed documentation your claim requires. Our administrative team manages all no-fault paperwork, insurance communications, and pre-authorization requirements from your very first visit. We have locations in Queens, Brooklyn, the Bronx, and throughout the New York area. Same-day appointments are available. You were injured through no fault of your own. Understanding the system is the first step toward protecting your health and your rights. If you've been in a motor vehicle accident and have questions, our team is here to help. Call us at 888-511-0625 or visit newarknofaultdoctor.com to schedule an evaluation. Same-day appointments are available at all locations.